Are you ready to transform your understanding of renewable energy? I have this masterclass for you. In this exclusive masterclass, we will explore everything from the basics of solar power to advanced topics like wind energy and electric vehicles. Let's see the agenda of this 21 days masterclass. First, we will see the introduction to solar PV system, and then we move on to the solar PV panels and mounting structure, and then we are going to discussing about the power converter design, and then we will be talk about MPPT basics. We are going to talk about the types of charge controllers and their selection technique, and focusing on the design principles of inverters for converting the DC to AC power. At last, we are going to talk about the wind energy base, understanding the fundamentals of harnessing wind power. And these topics cover a wide range of aspects, providing the participants and students with a comprehensive understanding of a renewable energy system. So join now for this 21-day journey on renewable energy system.